Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope this video finds you well. Today we are going to install another open source tool which is named as OpenObserve tool. It can be installed on the Linux CentOS or the Ubuntu operating system. I am going to install it on the Ubuntu operating system with the version 22.04 LTS. And a simple introduction to the tool is we will collect or unify laws, matrices and traces into a single powerful solution. We can monitor many number of devices using this single tool. It can be Windows, it can be Linux and many more devices. I will show you after the installation. So just move towards the installation. You can install this in within 5 minutes. You have to open the OpenObserve website and go to the resources and click on this download button. At the download page you can avail the free trial and you can install it on this platform which are listed here below. We can select the version from here. I have selected the latest one. I am going to use the open source edition and I am going to deploy a single node. By this command the script will identify our operating system type and version and install the OpenObserve version according to our requirement. You can go with this manual commands, but I am going to use this quick install script. So you just have to copy this command and paste here. Okay, we don't have the curl package install on our operating system, so we are going to install it. Okay, some updates have held the installation, so we are going to kill that installation stuck and proceed with our installation. It will take a while to complete this installation. As our curl package has been installed, now we are going to run that script to identify our operating system and download the package according to our requirement. As soon as the download and extraction has been completed, now what we have to do, we have to run the OpenObserve. You can go with this default root user email or you can modify it. I am going with the same one. After that you have to set the password for the root user, and in the last you have to start the OpenObserve. It is starting the HTTP server. Now we are going to access it through the browser. You have to replace the local host with your machine or the server IP. In my case this is my IP, and you have installed the OpenObserve in just simple 3 or 4 commands. Now you have to log in. You have created the root email and the password, and you have successfully logged into the OpenObserve. Okay, let's see what devices we can monitor. These are the recommendations from the OpenObserve: Kubernetes, Windows, Linux, Amazon, Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure, Traces, Real User Monitoring. What are the custom? You have many of options available. You can monitor the web server, that all the type of databases, some security tools, DevOps, networking, message queue, languages, and many other options available. This is how you can install OpenObserve tool, which is a unique and simple monitoring tool for your logs. Hope you guys understood this installation. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends, colleagues, and students. Until then, stay blessed, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.